Hi, my name is Salman Beg, and today in this video we are going to see how we are discovering the targets. We have iSCSI targets which are being presented as our LUN, and we are going to discover it from two rack nodes, which is DR rack 1 and DR rack 2. So let's go and connect to the first node and see that is the service up and running. Okay, we're supposed to be a root user in order to execute some of those discovery commands. So switch to root service start and check config. Daemon on config ISCSI on, and now we have a command to ISCSI admin. So discovery send targets minus PR NAS1, which is our storage. Check targets. So we just write that command to see that how many targets we have added. We found those targets right there on the spot, and think we're pretty much good. We have to take this targets which we saw in here to a notepad file because we want those targets to be automatically logged in. Right now we just discover we want them every time the machine started, it should log on automatically. So in order to achieve that, we have to do some stuff, and so far we've done a couple of steps in here. We did done the configuration of iSCSI target, and we're supposed to do right now to do a manual login to see that how it'll work. We wrote a script in here based on our discovery. The one which we discover earlier, we just add some kids manually log in. Right now we manually log in, and we have these all targets which are properly discovered, but we want them to be log on because the one which we done so far, it's manually log on. We want to do an automatic log on for every boot up, so we have to go for these. Okay. oops, passed in, so it is passed. Second one, two, ASM3, and ASM4. So we want to see that when we boot them up, we want to see those targets to be automatically up and running and available for us. Here we can see that in the boot up, we want to see those targets which we added, and we put it down the automatic login. It should log in right here during the boot up process. If those iSCSI targets been added, we are pretty much good to go for the rack. Okay, so we can see here these all targets are discovered at the startup, which is good. Same thing we want to do on our node 2, which is on the other side. So let's do it right. So we have to discover the target on our node 2. So we are connected to our node 2, and okay, we're supposed to be root, and we have a chart. We have to do some configuration. KIS config daemon on, check config, CSI, on, and we have to discover these targets manually so we can check. NAS is our presenter storage, so you see that successful, so you're good with this. We even rerun this one. We were successful before, so you're okay with CRS. Now for ASM1, manually log in. Do that iSCSI target. Okay. Successful. Okay, we are good. same thing for ASM 2, successful, 3, successful, 4, successful, so we have all these successful here. We log on to all targets manually, but we want them to be automatically. So next time we log in, we want to see these all targets discovered. Okay, pass in permanent, pass in, that one's permanent for ASM1, and we have to do the same thing for ASM2, same to ASM3, and for ASM4. So here we are pretty much good. We have to reboot to see its effect. We're supposed to get these all available at the time of reboot. It's supposed to get those iSCSI targets discovered by itself and should be available for our host. So let's see how it will do. So okay, it's the boot up process here. We have to monitor to see that those targets which we automatically log on script we executed, and we want to see that those targets should be discovered automatically to our host. And you see that, yes, these all are which we are looking for. They are properly logged in, all successful. So we are pretty much good here. Okay, we can log on as root. Okay, so we can see here in M sessions that it's properly discovered. Our targets and we are good. These sessions are good. They're properly logged on and discovered. So we are good here. Thank you very much for watching this video.